Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Welcome to the DB Kitchen. Today we're going to sort out the problem of leftover roast chicken. My husband said to me if he eats one more mayo chicken sandwich, he's going to go insane. And so we've been obsessing over potted chicken. We're just going to shred our chicken by hand into nice long lengths. And once we're finished, we're going to keep half of that to the side and we're going to roughly chop that into a little dice so that we've got two different textures within our potted chicken. We're going to mix it all up. We've got the drippings from the tray, which collects so much flavour. Some stock just to make sure that we're going to keep our chicken nice and juicy. And then we're going to mix it all up. Make sure everything's really nicely incorporated so that you've got a little bit of flavour from everywhere. If you can hear that really delicious squelchy sound, you know that it's going to be juicy enough. I'm going to add a really slim layer of olive oil around the inside of the pot just so that our chicken slips out really nice and easily. Add your chicken and really firmly push it down. Cover your pot with some cling film and just thoroughly push down before adding a weight to it and putting your chicken into the fridge. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.